In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online for a flight Wizz Air. We'll walk through the on-screen flow so it feels simple, clear, and stress-free. Start by opening the Wizz Air website. On the homepage, you'll see the flight search panel where you'll set the basic details for your journey. First, select the origin. Click into the departure box and begin typing your city or airport. Choose the correct airport from the suggestions and make sure it matches what's on your itinerary. Taking a moment here avoids mix-ups later. Next, select the destination. Type in the city or airport you're flying to and confirm you've picked the right one, especially if the city has multiple airports. Accuracy is key because your choices guide everything that follows. Now, select the date. Open the calendar and pick the exact travel date shown on your confirmation. If your trip crosses time zones or if you're booking close to midnight, double check you're choosing the correct day. It's a small detail that can make a big difference. When your origin, destination, and date look correct, click on Start Booking. This takes you to the flight and fare options for the route and date you set. Even if you're focused on checking in, Wizz Air's flow may guide you through a familiar booking style interface to confirm details and move toward managing your trip online. On the fare screen, click on Regular Price. This selects the standard option so you can proceed without adding extras you don't need. If you prefer additional flexibility or baggage, you can review those, but selecting the regular option keeps things straightforward and usually fastest. Finally, fill up the remaining details. Work through each prompt carefully. Confirm passenger information exactly as it appears on your travel document. Provide accurate contact details for updates, and review any seating or baggage choices presented on screen. Ensure names match your passport letter for letter, check dates of birth, and confirm document numbers if requested. If you're offered seat selection, choosing now can save time later, though it may come with a fee. Before you continue, scan the summary page. Look for the correct route, date, and traveler details, and make any necessary adjustments right away. Once everything is complete, continue following the on-screen prompts. Wizz Air will guide you through to the end of the process, and when available for your flight, provide access to your digital boarding pass. Keep any confirmation handy, and you'll be set for a smooth airport experience.